Hello, you good people. How are you guys doing? Thank you so much for clicking to this channel. For the old members, thank you so much for coming back. For the new members, thank you for visiting. You are most welcome. Today, I'm making some red velvet cupcakes and the marble cupcakes. Who likes some snacks chilling in the fridge? I'm here. I am who likes. Yes, so this is what I did. This is for just this week. So yeah, let's start cooking. So first things first, you're supposed to do it with buttermilk. I don't have buttermilk, so there's an easy way of doing that. Just to mix milk with vinegar, white vinegar that is, or maybe lemon juice. So this is 125 ml of milk, and I go in with 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. And voila, it didn't even waste time, it just got activated immediately. So next I will mix my dry ingredients. $120 grams of all-purpose flour, baking powder and baking soda, and salt. And we see, I know somebody's wondering, where's cocoa powder? Cocoa powder will come in later because I want a bit of vanilla butter or maybe white butter, to put some madoido kidogo hapo juu kwenye umeona. Yes, just to do like I want the vanilla butter to make it like marble cupcakes. Yes. So next I'm going in with cooking oil. With cupcakes, I prefer using cooking oil. You can use any cooking oil as long as it's not those flavored cooking oils. The difference between cooking oil and butter is cooking oil makes cupcakes more moist. That's why you see some people using cooking oil, or maybe they mix cooking oil and butter where cooking oil is more than butter. That's the difference. For me, cupcakes, I use cooking oil. Sometimes I mix, but for cake, I use butter. Hope that's clear. Finally, plug in. Next, I'm adding sugar, caster sugar. That's 150 grams. And we continue mixing. I'm going in with 1 egg and continue mixing. Next is vanilla essence, a tablespoon. The smell of this thing, oof. It's just on another level. vanilla my buttermilk, homemade buttermilk. That should be enough. Or maybe more to mix the milk well. Scale is done. Away. Let's get the wet ingredients out. And this is done as well. Let's get space in our working area. And this is a mistake that I'm doing. You're supposed to add in a dry ingredients bit by bit, because this way I'll have some lumps and I'll take time mixing. And for cupcakes batter, when I add flour, I like using the spatula to mix. As I'm doing, you see, I have some lumps of flour. I have to spend time here to mix them. Next, I'll take only two tablespoons of this vanilla butter, so that I can add now my cocoa powder and the red color. Tablespoon and sieve. This is red color. I'll go in with 1 tablespoon. Mix, and the magic happens. As I scrape the bowl, everything, yes. And mix all that cocoa powder, because cocoa is very fine. It can give you some lumps so easily. Yes, since it's all done. I like it. I really like it. And it's our tray. And I oil it. You can use butter, you can use oil. That's enough for all this. This butter normally gives me like around 12. Is this 12? Yeah. 12 cupcakes. Because my tray is not that deep. You know, there are some trays that are deep and there are some others that are just shallow. Mine, it's not deep. Line in with paper cupcakes. And I think first I'll do just 8 and see how much of butter that I'll have. I like using my ice cream scoop. That way I measure almost equally. have some more butter, so yes, I'm filling my tray. The way this butter is just, settling itself into those paper cupcakes, feeling so cute. If only it knows what lies ahead. It will get into the oven, and finally it will find itself in my belly, in my tummy, well chewed and finished. It looks lovely. Does it look lovely from your side? It looks lovely when I'm doing this. Try to balance. Like I add a bit of butter in every cupcake. Yes, and it seems my butter is finished. That's all done. You remember the vanilla butter, the white butter we had? This is where I'm trying to do some murder, and this needs a bit of concentration, cause it's not easy. But I like trying some new things, With my shaky hands. Please subscribe for this effort. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. For the new members, I have some other baking recipes. Visit my channel. Some of these I don't even know how I'll make a pattern from them. But the good thing with these things, it's art. You do it your way, Red velvet cupcakes are nice, but with some little bit of color, maybe some design, will be better. I'm adding more. Phew, finally. Now here comes the work. This one, I'm using a toothpick. Trying to give it some design. Wow, that turned up nice. That one is well. And please don't be like me. Don't use your hands to wipe the toothpick. Use some tissue. I don't do this always. How will I do this? Which pattern did I had when I was doing dots in my head? All done. Yes. To the oven, 170 degrees. It normally take like around 15 minutes. 15, yeah, around 15 minutes. Enjoy the song as we wait. Hope you like my video till this far. Please subscribe, comment, say something. Let me know your favorite snack, or maybe give me an idea of what I should try baking next time. And after 15 minutes, whoa, our cupcakes are done. After cooling down, we put them in a rack, to cool down completely. Yes, still a little bit hot, not hot, warm. Let's wait for them to cool. And we give it a trial. Wow, they are super moist. Have to taste. I have to taste. Yes. This is nice. When you're coming back to the and you just grab one. I have to finish this. Grab a cupcake with cup of coffee. Lovely. I like them. This one, will they take a week as I thought? I don't think so. They are super moist. Super moist. And thank you so much for being with me till this end. Please consider subscribing, and until next one, bye bye.